Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Valorant when 135 error on PC.
Fix 1. Restart Riot Vanguard Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, open Task Manager. Step 2. End Task Vanguard Tray Notification. Step 3. Restart your PC. Step 4. Launch Valorant. Fix 2. Check Riot Vanguard Service Step 1. Press Win plus R, type services. MSC, press Enter. Step 2. Find VGC. Step 3. Set startup type is equal to automatic. Step 4. Click Start OK. Fix 3. Run Valorant as administrator. Step 1. Right. Click Valorant shortcut. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Fix 4. Disable conflicting software. Step 1. Close RGB, overclocking, or system tools, MSI Afterburner, Asus Aura, etc. Step 2. Disable third-party antivirus temporarily. Step 3. Restart PC and open Valorant.